Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn what to say at a restaurant, from the moment you arrive to the moment you pay the bill and leave politely. We will learn how to arrive at a restaurant, ask for a table, look at the menu and order food, ask for help during the meal, ask for the bill and pay, say goodbye politely. By the end of this video, you will feel more confident ordering food in English. Now, let's start with the first situation. You have just arrived at the restaurant. When you arrive at a restaurant, the first thing you usually do is ask for a table. In English, a very simple and polite sentence is, "A table for two, please." This means you want a table for two people. If you are alone, you can say, "A table for one, please." If there are three people, you can say, "A table for three, please." The word please is very important. It makes your sentence polite and friendly. After that, the server may say, "Please follow me." This means the server will show you your table. Sometimes, the server may ask where you want to sit. For example, would you like to sit by the window? In this case, you can simply say, "Yes, by the window, please." When the server gives you the menu, you can say, "Thank you," or "Thank you very much." These are simple phrases, but they are very common and very useful. Now you are sitting at the table. The server gives you the menu and you start looking at the food. A menu is a list of food and drinks that the restaurant offers. When you look at the menu, you usually see different parts. First, there are starters or appetizers. These are small dishes that you eat before the main meal. For example, soup or salad. Then you see the main course or main dish. This is the biggest part of the meal. After that, there is dessert. Dessert is a sweet dish, like cake or ice cream. And of course, there are drinks, like water, tea, or juice. Sometimes you are not ready to order yet. That is completely normal. In this case, you can politely say, "I need a little more time, please." This sentence is very useful. It tells the server that you are still deciding. When you are ready to order, you can ask about the special dish of the day. You can say, "What is today's special?" The special is the dish the restaurant recommends for that day. If you want help choosing food, you can also ask, "What do you recommend?" This means you are asking the server for advice. When you order food, you can use simple and polite sentences. For example, "I'll have the tomato soup, please." Or, "I would like the pasta, please." Both sentences are correct and polite. After ordering food, the server may ask about drinks. You can answer with, "I'll have a glass of water, please." Or, "I would like an iced tea, please." These sentences are easy and very common in restaurants. Ordering food in English does not need to be complicated. Simple sentences are more than enough. Now you are enjoying your meal. But sometimes, during the meal, you may need something extra. Let's talk about that in the next part. Now you are eating your meal. Everything is on the table, and you are enjoying your food. During the meal, the server may come to your table and ask if everything is okay. A very common question is, "How is everything so far?" This simply means, "Are you enjoying the food?" A polite and friendly answer is, "Everything is great, thank you." Sometimes during the meal, you may need something extra. For example, you may need another fork or a napkin. A fork, knife, and spoon are the tools you use to eat your food. If you drop your fork, you can politely ask for another one. A napkin is a small cloth or paper you use to clean your hands or mouth. When you want to ask for something, it is polite to start with, "Excuse me." This helps you get the server's attention in a polite way. For example, you can say, "Excuse me, can I get another fork, please?" Or, "Excuse me, could I have an extra napkin, please?" Both sentences are polite and easy to use. You may also want more water or drinks. In this case, you can say, "Can I have some more water, please?" You can use the same sentence with other items. More bread, more sauce, more napkins. For example, "Can I have some more bread, please?" If you do not need anything, you can simply say, "No, thank you," or "No, thank you, I'm fine." These short answers are polite and very common. Now you have finished your meal. The next step is to ask for the bill, pay, and leave the restaurant politely. Let's look at that in the next part. Now you have finished your meal. You feel full, and it is time to pay and leave the restaurant. In English, the paper with the price is called the bill. In some countries, people also say check. Both words mean the same thing. To ask for the bill, you can say, "Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?" This is a polite and very common sentence. After that, the server brings the bill to your table. You look at the bill and check the total price. If you want to pay by card, you can say, "I'll pay by card." If you want to pay with cash, you can say, "I'll pay in cash." These sentences are simple and clear. In some restaurants, the server may ask, "Is service included?" Or, "Would you like to leave a tip?" A tip is extra money you give for good service. Tipping rules are different in different countries. In many places, a small tip is polite, but not always required. After paying, it is polite to say something kind before leaving. You can say, "Thank you, everything was very good." Or, "Thank you very much, I enjoyed the meal." These sentences are friendly and show appreciation. Finally, you can say goodbye. A simple and polite goodbye is, "Have a nice day," or "Goodbye, thank you." Eating at a restaurant in English does not have to be stressful. With simple words and polite phrases, you can feel calm and confident. Now you know how to order food in English at a restaurant. You learned how to enter the restaurant, how to ask for a table, how to look at the menu and order food, how to ask for help during the meal, and how to pay and leave politely. You do not need difficult words to sound polite. Simple English is enough. When you speak slowly and clearly, people understand you. And when you use polite phrases, people are happy to help you. Remember, making small mistakes is normal. What matters is that you try. Each time you visit a restaurant, you become more confident, step by step. Thank you for listening and learning with me today. If this lesson helped you, you can support the channel by liking the video. You are always welcome here. I will see you in the next lesson. Take care and enjoy your English journey.